M1 AI Phone Assistant is one of those apps that promises to change how we handle calls, messages, and voice tasks, basically turning your phone into a smarter, more conversational tool. But does it actually deliver? Let's take a look. The idea is simple. It's a virtual AI assistant that can answer calls, transcribe voicemails, send SMS replies, and even hold conversations using a natural-sounding voice. It's clearly built for people who are constantly missing calls, freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who just hates picking up unknown numbers. The interface is clean and setup only takes a few minutes. Once it's running, M1 automatically intercepts calls you can't answer and engages the caller in a natural back and forth conversation, letting you review summaries later. Now for the good, the AI voice is surprisingly human-like, and its ability to understand context is decent. It's great at collecting caller intent and contact info. The real-time call summaries and follow-up suggestions are also super helpful if you're managing clients or leads. And since it's cloud-based, you don't need a fancy phone setup, just the app. But it's not all smooth. The free version is limited, and most of the useful features like unlimited AI calls or CRM integrations are behind a paywall. Some users report bugs or delays during high call volume hours, and if your callers aren't used to talking to an AI, it can feel a bit impersonal or even sketchy. So is M1 AI worth it? If you're constantly overwhelmed with calls or looking for an assistant-style tool without hiring a human, it's a solid option. Just expect to pay if you want its full potential. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching.